Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless. Welcome back to the channel. If you are returning, if you're new here, then hi, my name is Denise. And in today's video, I'm doing a recap of the things that I made in 2022. So most of this video is going to be video of me showing you the things that I did. But I always find it interesting to look back on what I made in the year. And I also like to look at what other people have done throughout the year, because I find it inspiring. And so I hope that this is that for you as well. So I will return at the end of the video and I will see you in a little bit. So that was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun to put together all those different pictures to see what I had done throughout the year. But let me know in the comments, what are you all working on? Did you get to accomplish the goals that you set for the year? Or do you set sewing goals for yourself? Let me know down below. Yeah, I was surprised by how many different things I made. It was a total of 40 different garments. 11 of those were tops, which is not surprising because I do make a lot of tops because it's quick and easy for me to do. And the next category was pants, which is kind of surprising. I made 10 pairs of pants, and that was because I did do 4 or 5 different pairs of the Angela Wolf skinny jeans, because that pattern was new and had come out, and so it took different tries to really get the fit the way that I really wanted it to be. So that was almost half of the total pants that I made. But yeah, let me know what you all did this year, and if you are setting goals, sewing goals for yourself, or for the upcoming year for 2023. And go ahead, if you don't mind, subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss the next time I upload a video, which is going to be next year sometime. So take care, and I appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.